Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment and share. We meet here every Sunday at 11 a.m. to talk about developments, or sometimes we do bonus videos within the week. Let's get started. Number 1. MBJ Airports Limited, managing Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, has partnered with innovative energy company IEC for a $1 billion renewable energy project. The initiative involves a 5.7 megawatt solar panel plant and at least 4.0 megawatts of storage. CEO Shane Monroe states that it aims to make the airport substantially energy independent, reducing its carbon footprint significantly, which is in line with Jamaica's climate change initiatives, aiming for a 50% renewable target by what year? What year? You remember what year? 2037. IEC plans the installation as a joint venture with Wigton Wind Farms Limited, their previous partner. Huawei will supply equipment including inverters and a battery energy storage system. Notably, the solar panels will float over water. Interesting. Leveraging the airport's proximity to the sea. The project, commencing this month, anticipates creating over 50 construction jobs, with an addition of 3 engineers over time. Completion is projected within 300 days. The contract includes comprehensive support from Huawei, providing warranty coverage for equipment and 10 years of monitoring and maintenance. On to number 2. Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James has now activated 6 electronic immigration gates, a significant advancement in airport technology. Look here, I can go in the airport, go record, so imagine on a seat. I got to see if I can find one video and put up it so I can get an idea. Alright? Installed at the start of the winter tourist season in December, the e-gates, now operational, use facial recognition for processing passengers. This eliminates the need for frontline immigration officers, so people go lose their job, ensuring smoother passenger flow and reduced wait times. By the way, that was just a question, not a comment. I don't know if they're going to lose their jobs, or some are going to be. Passengers began using the e-gates recently at Jamaica's busiest airport, coinciding with increased arrivals at Sangster. In December 2023, MBJ Airports Limited reported a 13% surge in traffic compared to the previous year, and there are projections for the ongoing 2023 to 2024 winter season to receive continued high passenger volumes. Number 3. This year, RADA is undergoing a significant transformation, as announced by Minister Floyd Green. Initiated in 2022, the restructuring focuses on modernizing operations and improving the staff-to-farmer ratio. Green emphasized the need for agility in the 21st century and urged active implementation of recommended changes, acknowledging the agency's 3-decade history. The minister declared 2024 as a pivotal year for expediting RADA's reconstructing. The plan also includes constructing a new RADA corporate office over the next 5 years. Meanwhile, funds have been approved for retrofitting a temporary central space this year, leading towards a purpose-built headquarters, signaling a new era for RADA. So those are the updates or developments for today. Look out for more information either later this week or on Sunday. I think I'm gonna go on the road this week and see if I can get some footage on some updates. We'll see how that works out, so be on the lookout for that. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope your new year is going well, and check out my other videos. I have a lot of playlists. Get to know the channel. Believe me, I hope have videos there you're fun to watch, and see you next time. Bye.